Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are present: Flutter SDK on your path, VSCode, and the Dart extension. Once done, install the Flutter extension and restart VSCode to register commands. Make sure an Android SDK or Xcode is configured for device targets. You need at least one emulator or a physical device connected. You will run Flutter Doctor next to surface missing items, so open a terminal in VSCode and get immediate feedback. You create a new Flutter project via the command palette with Flutter. New project, pick a name and location, and let VSCode scaffold files. Once the project opens, run Flutter pub get in the terminal to fetch packages and resolve dependencies. If Android or iOS prompts about platform or Gradle versions, accept the recommended updates. They ensure build compatibility. Then select a target device in the lower right and press F5 to build and run with hot reload. You finish by running the app and attaching the debugger. Press F5, set breakpoints, and open DevTools for widget inspection and performance traces. If a build fails, try Flutter clean, then Flutter pub get and rebuild. This removes stale artifacts. Make sure to accept Android licenses and confirm path. Run Flutter Doctor V to see exact errors. If an emulator won't start, kill a DB server and restart it, or reconnect your device. Then rebuild to verify the fix.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.